Client confidentiality. Professional obligations of confidentiality is the duty of confidentiality, which is much broader than attorney-client privilege. A lawyer must not reveal information related to representation unless, number one, client gives informed consent, the disclosure is implied authorized by law, or an exception applies. The duty, like I said, is broader than the attorney-client privilege. It protects confidential communication, public information, client identity, sometimes documentations, information learned from third parties, anything related to that representation. It applies to current clients, former clients, or prospective clients. The disclosure, expressly or implied authorized by the client. Express authorization is when client gives expressly authorization to the lawyer in order to review information, which is, for example, tell my accountant a specific type of instruction, negotiate settlements. Implied authorization, disclosure reasonably necessary to carry out representation. For example, if an expert witness is hired, there is implied authorization, or consult investigations, communicating with counsel. Those are all within implied authorization because they're necessary to carry out representation. Other exceptions to the confidentiality rule. Remember, the confidentiality rule prevents the disclosure of information, all information related to the representation. It's a much broader duty. However, the exception applies where, number one, disclosure is necessary to prevent death or serious bodily harm. For example, a client is going to poison someone tomorrow. There has to be disclosure of that information to prevent that harm. Prevent crime or fraud, prevent, mitigate, or rectify financial injury, obtain legal ethics advice, self-defense exception, court order, and detect or resolve conflicts of interest. Now, it's important to remember when it comes to the doctrine of confidentiality, we have attorney-client privilege, we have work product doctrine, and duty of confidentiality. Remember that the attorney-client privilege protects information that the client is going to be, the client, the lawyer will have for the purpose of the legal representation. The work product, in this case, protects all details of information in anticipation of litigation. The duty of confidentiality is the broader that protects all information pertaining to the representation.